In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Indian time in TradingView in mobile. Now to do this, it's actually super simple. All you have to do is you want to double tap on the current asset you're viewing here in the top left of your screen. So for me, it's NVIDIA Corporation. Double tap in the top left, and whenever you do that, it's going to open up the symbol. Now here, you can see at the bottom, it says time zone, and for me, it's currently UTC-4, New York. What you want to do here is you want to find UTC 530, okay? So let me actually find this for you right now. So it's going to say 530, and there we go. As you can see, this is going to be the one, okay? Now over here, you can of course use any that you want, but as far as I know, of course, for India, it's going to be the Indian Standard Time, IST, which basically is UTC plus 530, okay? So we can select either of these. I'm going to do this one over here, and there we go. That's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.